Well, your computer probably contains important personal information on it.
And until recently, of course, if your PC was lost or stolen, you were simply out of luck. Well, tonight, Consumer 10's Chuck Strickler shows us how a cyber angel is helping Ohio police to track down laptop thieves.
My door handles were on the ground. Door was wide open.
When Tina Dennis came into work the morning of April 30th, things did not look good.
Of all nights, I left my laptop computer. I normally don't.
Someone had broken into her office and took off with her PC. But then she remembered.
And when we get our computers issued to us, it tells us that we're equipped with what's called a Cyber Angel.
Cyber Angel is software hidden on a hard drive that can pinpoint exact location. When someone logs onto a stolen computer, Cyber Angel sends a signal to a monitoring center.
We can identify that phone number or IP address that it calls us from. We can pinpoint the location down to a street address, a registered name for that address, even provide a map to that location to the local law enforcement.
And that's just what happened the night Tina's computer was stolen. Here's how it all went down. The break-in occurred on Cable Court in Lima. The suspect took off with a computer. At 4:30 a.m., someone logged onto the stolen computer. The Cyber Angel software sent an electronic alert to headquarters in Nashville, Tennessee. There, Cyber Angel tracked the phone number and gave that information to Lima police. Officers connected the phone number to a house on Primrose Place, just a few blocks from the scene of the crime. Lieutenant Angel Cortez of the Lima Police Department interviewed the people in that home, including the suspect.
We went back and ended up getting a warrant for his arrest through the investigation process.
Police nabbed Chad Thompson for breaking and entering. They believe it was not his first offense.
For a fact, we know that there's 6 that he's involved with right in this area here.
Even though police picked up the suspect, Tina's computer was still gone.
And I would venture to say that this computer has been to at least 5 different crack houses.
Through some tough investigating, police finally found her computer.
I really didn't think I would get it back. That was just a bonus benefit that was unbelievable.
People looking to steal computers, telephones, or whatever else, they need to think twice about it because they're going to get caught.
With your Consumer 10 report,
Case solved.
I'm Chuck Strickler, Night Beat.
Now, if you would like to find out more about the Cyber Angel software, log on to 10tv.com and click on Featured Links.
Dom DeBerry here now with a preview of sports.